Let's make deviled eggs from start to finish in about 30 minutes by using the multi-cooker. So I have a dozen eggs going into my pressure cooker, Pampered Chef's multi-cooker, set on the egg setting for 12 minutes. From there, they're gonna go into a ice cube bath to cool off quickly. And then we're gonna start peeling them. Yes, we're gonna peel all the eggs, and just watch how easy the shells come off from cooking in the pressure cooker. It always amazes me how easily the shells come off. So the eggs, I put them back in the water just to make sure there's no shells left behind sticking to the egg. And then I'm gonna take the crinkle cutter just to give it that little extra fancy look, the illusion that you care look, I like to call it, and slice these eggs in half. Then I'm just gonna take the yolks out, mash it up, mix it with my ingredients. I've got some Dijon mustard, mayonnaise, a little salt and pepper, and then use the Easy Accent decorator, and voila.